Your honesty about that part of your life gave me a sense of integrity that I wanted to uphold in my own life.
I wanted to know from someone who's been in recovery more than 30 years now that hard work is what creates success. That's how
One of the cars. Let's talk to Mike in South Jersey. Hey, Mike.
Dummy.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
I'm behind one of those little tiny cars, like a Nissan Versa or, a Step.
1015. Join the conversation on New Jersey 101.
Last few days of this intersection before it gets redone.
And it's free!
Now that's the bingo. Download bingo Blitz on the App Store or Google Play today. Promo code Pandora to get extra gifts. Play now. It's free.
Signal left.
Why would you kill like this? I was right here. I thought I was in the parking a couple of nights ago. Really? Yeah. Girl town was shopping. Harsh.
I just wonder how they're going to get out if this whole intersection's closed.
If we don't tell them what we expect, why?
They should have closed part of it.
How are they going to know?
Talk. They hear you. For more information, visit underreachtraining.samhsa.gov.
For Jackson, who it on Fever says it happened.
The IRS can be wrong. There can be
Department of Justice that criminal fraud in connection with two deadly plane crashes involving a 730.
Signal left.
What is
Stop signs? How do they work?
Deliver mission-critical outcomes with speed. With IBM Consulting, your business can design, build, and scale trusted.
Idiots.
$100 you spend on select major
Signal
appliances.
left.
Hey, don't miss your chance to save big on new trains. Removable easy wash oven trays that makes cleanup a breeze. Oh no.
Up job for the groom. I get it. But sometimes the couple, both of them will do it to each other. Sometimes the groom will do it to the bride, which I feel is more often. Sometimes the bride will do it to the groom when he hasn't done it to the bride. Sometimes that happens too. And I said I've got a very, very probably unlikely opinion as a guy for this. I will give it, I promise, but I don't want to make these people hang on. They were nice enough to call in. Let's talk to a few callers first. 1-800-283-101.5.
Sure, Rose in Pennsylvania. You're on New Jersey 101.5.
Hey guys, how are you?
Good, thank you.
What do you think on this?
Well, I think it's wrong. She,
Really?
we're both we both looked at each other and we looked at each other and said, "You ready?" And our best man was 6'6". So I really had to ask my husband to do it. So
Well, and we're inviting them. If anybody thinks that this bride that is being that is making news is overreacting here, but a bride apparently is considering breaking off her marriage.
Very good.
I guess annulling it after she had the groom promise to not do that wedding cake in the face thing. Instead, he shoved her entire head into the cake in front of everybody.
Oh, there were some comments on Reddit that I want to get to about this
Okay, all right, I didn't know about this. Yeah, we'll have those, we'll have this calls. If you think that the bride is overreacting, we'll certainly welcome that too. 1-800-283-101.5.
The Town Square, New Jersey Info and Weather Network.
Can I make my side softer?
Make my side firmer whenever I want. Speed Number does that. Cools up to 8 times faster and lets you choose your ideal comfort on your side. 94% of Speed Number smart sleepers report better sleep. Shop our lowest prices of the season. North Master Logan. Finally, 70 on the last outside in the Riverview Drive.
This is the cake itself.
If he doesn't know there's something holding up the cake and he just bashes her head in, who knows what could have
While
happened?
lines are there for show.
You know,
Signal left.
and I don't... With the bride, by giving $1.
Excuse me?
Have you ever heard of that?
On the battery.
You
Depends what level you're in. Anywhere from 60 miles to 30.
Maybe it's beyond Italian weddings.
It's all electric.
To Italian weddings, where
Yeah.
I mean, this is the those lines Tyler was pointing out decades ago, age was being made a big thing in Rock. You know? And that's the question.
Signals, how do they work?
Wish her a happy birthday this month.
Oh, yeah. Well, there you go.
Michelle, thanks for the call to New Jersey 101.5.
120 seconds. What we're going to do. That's scary. That is scary. But is it his age or is it just his, mental acuity? That's the thing.
I think you remember me. I was one of those. I turn off the station every now and then except for your show, guys. Because I thought, no, I know, I want to, but are you going to watch it?
A minute until Jill's news, so you have that long.
Yeah, what do you want to get out about it?
That's around the person. And she doesn't do all this. Some of them are. And the damn liar, he like that. Everything he said on stage, he said years ago.
Right. It's the Town Square, New Jersey.
Shut up!
And weather next.
Reopening. The stone building was built as a home back in 1710, turned into a bar in 1832. New Jersey 101.5 instant weather is next.
This is the story of the week. As head of maintenance at a concert hall, he knows the show must always go on. That's why he works behind the scenes, ensuring every light is working, the HVAC is humming, and his facility shines.
A very special woman. In a matter of seconds, she turned herself into a great mathematician and an entrepreneur. Her knowledge was limitless, and still is. She could also make monsters disappear, especially those that were
Over.
broken heart, whose had been shattered in a thousand
50s in the Northwest Hills. Now, tomorrow, plenty of sunshine, a warmer day, but still not humid. High temperatures will be in the low to mid 80s. Clear to.
But I had first-hand experience with dementia, Alzheimer's. My mom died from it. And, yeah, but it also has nothing to do with age. I also had a relative who was in the 40s who got Alzheimer's. So it's not an age thing.
Well, I mean, you're right. I just want to say this. You're not wrong. I'm not trying to say you're wrong. There sometimes can be, at a very oddly young age, cases like that, but it is a lot more rare. And I mean, the CDC itself will say that the risk of dementia increases with age. Not that there would be pretty official source here. About 1/3, but only 1/3. 85 and older will not. There are people that will live until they're not going to put somebody else in there that is more younger and more
I'm gonna waste my time.
It's not longer.
Probably wasn't rising to the level of forcing the issue. But it's been late. Well, not made evidence.
Right.
I mean, yeah, there is that third chance.
Nothing as far as an alternate goes in that area, so give yourself some time.
Why are you
New Jersey
stupid?
Fans traffic is every 15 minutes. Next report, 7:03. From the Jag.
People coming into whatever, starting 15 years old, right? There is over a 50-year gap.
Cut off of voting age in addition to people who hold the office?
I think it should cut off at 40 and then resume at 55. Because between 40 and 55, we're just too goddamn busy. We got a lot going on. You got to get the cars in for oil changes. Once you're 55, then you can sit down and learn how to make your own secret. And Family Fire. FamilyFire.org. Brought to you by Your Family Fire. Free and the acuity.
Now you can go.
Time in the garage, but even more time.
These lies. Be careful. Violence related eye injuries can
Hey!
your vision blindness driven by standards often the most effective.
Jesus Christ! Why are you dumb?
Typical fireworks-related
Thing on left. Stupid fuck!
Retinal detachment and ruptured eyeball or ruptured bone. And all of these are potentially vicious red.
According to the U.S.
U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission, 15% of fireworks injuries each year are eye-related and occur in the weeks around the 4th of July. Download our free app to take us with you wherever you go. This is My 24/7. Get instant on state news, weather, and traffic from New Jersey 101.5. And how is the holiday weather looking?
Complete 15 minutes. Next report, 7:18. I'm Mike Barker on New Jersey 101.5.
And traffic is brought to you and yours by Pete. Talking about the debate, the collective we, like everybody, like everywhere you go, every news outlet, every TV station, radio station that's not automated playing push track music, we are all talking about debate. So why would I let that go? But I mean, it's not about, for me, it's not about, you know, if President Biden beats President Trump. Economic ideas. Much worse than Biden took over. It was when Trump left. What we got was 1.4%. Now it's about 3.5. At one point it was 9.1. The consumer price index is one measure of the price of everyday goods, including gasoline and groceries.
Control stop recording.
Truck won't start. The best place to break down. Why are you honking? What are these people doing? There's no way that light is not red. There you go. Back up a little bit. Don't hit the car behind you. Gotta be on that phone. What are you doing? Really? You're just gonna stop dead center in the road for no reason?